Alright, here's a nice little fix. Sure, we've all got one of these things, fly screens. Problem is they work better when they're closed. And as you can see, like in all doors, you gotta close it yourself. Like some pleb. We're gonna fix that. We got about half an hour before dinner, so let's get to it. Alright, so what we're gonna do is just run a cable through here to some spot over here with a weight. So as you open the door, lifts the weight. When you let go, the weight drops. It's real old school tech, but it should work. What we're going to use is just some leftover wood and some pipe and a bit of string. I'll just grab some, I'll be right back. Alright, scrap bit of wood. So things to consider here are where you're going to mount it. Most of these doors will have a screw somewhere over there, so just chuck your wood up against the thing. And because of this extra bit, just give it a bit of a gap. Make your mark. And probably the depth somehow. We're gonna call it about there. So yep, we're gonna cut that out and we're gonna mount it this way because that's where we measured on a drill on the wrong side. God damn. And that's what you need. Cool. Cool. So I've cut out this shape. That's what we drew before. Cut that bit off, cut this bit off, just, you know, it looks better. And then just gotta smooth out this surface. Because that's where the string's gonna be riding on, so you don't want that to be too sharp. I say string loosely, you could use fishing line. I've got builder's string, but really you could use whatever you want. I mean, you can try your luck with dental floss even, doesn't really matter. Just something to hold the weight, basically. The only stress it's gonna feel is when the door slams shut. But, slams open. But, you know, if it breaks, you just replace it. It's pretty simple. Alright, let's go test this out. So it depends how accurately you cut it. You might get a nice wedge, might be a bit loose like this one. If it's a bit loose, just get some paper, jam it inside there. I might do that with this one. In terms of distance, it doesn't really matter, but you don't want it in the middle because sometimes it swings, it's gonna smash the glass. So we want it far back, but not far back to it hits the brick wall either. So I know, complications, but whatever. Yeah, that's it. Let's go get some string. Alright, so for the weight part, we just some random piece of PVC. This one's just got pre-holes, I'm not sure why. But all we really need is just these two holes here just to feed the string through. Sweet. And then at the bottom, I mean, you can buy a cap for it, but that costs money. So we've just got some duct tape or electrical tape or whatever tape. You can use anything really. You can heat this pipe up and bend it over itself and form like a seal that way. But I've not been successful in making that look any better than just duct tape. But just like that, swing around. Now it does look like I'm using a lot of duct tape for this one, but because of the weight that we're using, you want it to be fairly thick. Because I've only got a couple of big bolts to use as a weight. You can cover this up if you want to fill this with sand or with water. Up to you, but I think we're just going to leave it like that. Got two holes, let's feed some string through it. So grab some string. A nice bright pink color, because that's just what I'm into. Feed through holes. Any knot will do really. Yeah, any knot. So what I just want to do is just grab both ends, tie a knot, try and feed this thing through it somehow. Or I'm just gonna tie a normal knot and then just keep doing it a few times. It should be right. Yeah, whatever. As long as it's on there, who cares? The last thing you want is this thing to just drop on you, so don't do any fancy slip knots or anything like that. And then when you pull it tight, make sure it's in the middle-ish. And then can't find the knife, but whatever. Sweet. So for the length of this one, you got your string up against the thing. You want it to be about high up, I guess. I'll let go too early, sorry. So you want it to be high up because when the door opens, when the door's there. What the fuck? So you want it to be long, my bad. So that's its final resting height. So when the door opens, this thing goes up and yeah, I should do it. So measure the length that you want and then give yourself a bit of extra just for tying's sake. Sick. 3 to 3 thing. Goes up. Like I said, most of these doors will have little screws here somewhere. Just find a good spot to fasten it. Now the reason why we haven't just kind of like tapped and drilled our own holes in it is because we're renting and we're not allowed to make anything permanent. So this is a good little temporary setup you can take on and off, subject to rent inspection. Just unscrew that top one just a bit. Through. And then just loop it through there somehow. And then just screw it shut. So now when you pull, this thing lifts, and you should be sweet. Cool. And if you need to take off any slack, just grab a whole bunch, do a knot somewhere. Slack's gone. Sweet. Bolts, just for weight. So this one's a bit of a trial and error. Just chuck weights on until it starts to move on its own.
What else could you use if you don't have bolts?
Rocks. I tried rocks before, but if you look, the rocks that we've got are all different shapes and stuff. It gets a bit annoying to put it in. Yeah. Just anything heavy, really. You can fill it with metal shavings if you got it. Whatever's weighted. Like it'll start to slide, but you really got to start it off. And this is the part where you just kind of fine tune it. Depends how much kickback you want. I'll see if I can find another bolt. That's more bolts. It's nice. So, I've got a house full of just random things, just collecting, you know what I mean? There's a lot of things that don't serve their initial purpose, but you can still reuse it again. So, if you can organize, and if you can stay organized, it's really worth just hanging on to, yeah. You're gonna make a lot of stuff out of it. So this has got 3 of those big bolts through it. It's really quite heavy. Boom. Door fixed. 10 minutes.